how to upload videos on YouTube from phone. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video today, I'll guide you through the steps on how you can upload videos on YouTube from phone. Well, the process itself is pretty simple and pretty easy, so let me guide it through. In order to upload videos on YouTube from phone, you can simply go ahead and open up YouTube. Now, you can also use YouTube Studio, but if you don't want to download YouTube Studio, you can simply go ahead and open up YouTube. Then here you can simply head over and tap on the plus icon. Before that, make sure you're logged into the particular account that you want to upload it from. Then tap on the plus icon at the bottom, and here you can now go ahead and choose the video that you would like to upload and upload it easily. Whether you want to upload video or shorts, you can choose the option and upload it. So this is how you can easily upload videos on YouTube from your phone. You can also do it using YouTube Studio to get more options, but it is pretty simple. You can do it directly through the YouTube app. Hope this video was helpful. Do like and subscribe, and also do not forget to leave the comments down below if you have any further issues as well.